First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh. Second thing, second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea. Oh, ooh, the master of my sea. Oh, ooh. I was broken from a young age, taking my soak into the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, took to me, shook at me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the. Hey, you turn me up, you turn me up, believer, believer. Hey, you turn me up, you turn me up, believer, believer.
Para sa akin, siya yung bigay ni God. Kasi, bago kami dumating sa ganito, nagkahiwalay muna kami. And then, uy, naiiyak ako!
Ay, 1, 2, 3. Love, 1, 2, 3. You. Wow! Mahal kita.
Laging ikaw.
Excited na medyo kinakabahan. Yun, hindi namin may yan yung pakiramdam namin. Hindi namin maintindihan.
Sa'yo pumapatungo pag-ibig ko. Ikaw ang aking payapa, ang aking hilom, di na laging payapa.
Guys, I'm getting married!
With you, I have found a love that feels like home wherever life takes us, as long as I am with you. I know exactly where I belong. I promise to you, I will choose you over and over and every single day. And you can always count this little finger you call Kikyang to guide and support you through every challenges we will face as husband and wife. Happy 10th year anniversary. I love you, Mami.
Today, I thank God for bringing you into my life. Before Him, our family, and our friends, I choose you to be my husband and my partner for life. Ikaw at ikaw lamang, wala nang iba. Lagi mong tatandaan na nandito lang ako. I will love you for every moment of our lives together. Kahit kailanman, hindi ako magiging katulad ni Leron Sinta, na kapag nabali ang sanga, ay hahanap ng iba. In case I haven't told you yet, you have my heart and my soul forever. Daddy, mahal na mahal kita at mananatili kang kalahati ng puso.
Umabot man sa dulo